he moves his arms and his hands and his big head. Look what if you do this. Look, he opens his mouth and makes some fire shoots. Okay, what the dragon does. Look what the man when you twirl him. Look what he does. The missile shooter. Yeah. Look what does. Okay, kids, let me show you how you do something. His mask comes on, and then he cuts. And then he's putting swords in his makers. And look, kids, look, he can hold too many swords in his stuff and his big hands. Come on, get in. Come on. Come on. You silly man. You got in that trick. You got in this silly trick. Look. He can kill the bad guy. Look. And okay, he can move his mouth and get out fire. His fire comes out. And look, kids, he moves his tail. Okay? Do you want to buy like I buy? You're silly kids. Because I always love Dragon Warriors. Thanks for this video. Bye!